morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Hi, it's me. I'm back. Where are you? You know what time it is. It's Lego with Fonzie. Yeah. If you haven't already, please smash the follow, subscribe, ring the little bell, whatever it is you have to do. Please do it. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Don't cost you out. It just means more people can find the channel and, well, more people can enjoy the madness. And oh yes, there's plenty of madness to come, because sat there, out of shot, that you can't see, is a box. Now in that box, there's a couple of thousand pieces of Lego that I have been collecting over the past few weeks, um, to do my very own um, project. Now, more on that to come. More on that to come when I reveal it. But yes, that's going to be an interesting one. It's going to take a while. That one. It's going to take a while because the first portion is a couple of thousand bricks. Then we move on to the larger portion, which is going to be a fair few thousand bricks. But you know what? I don't mind. I'm quite excited with this one. Anyway, let's crack on today with the Lego Blacksmiths. We're here. As always, everything is sorted out into the sorting tubs. Link in the description down below. They're from Amazon. They're cheap and they're wonderful. Anyway, what was all that about? What was all that? Good evening and welcome, shoppers, to the supermarket. I think you'll find the broccoli on aisle number 1. What am I on about? I have no idea. Please ignore me. I'm really excited today. Anyway, anyway. Yes, we're back with the Lego Blacksmiths. It's looking cool. It's looking cool. So let's crack on some of this. So, got my tub. It's not plastic. It's actually bamboo. So, yeah. So we're back making doors. We're back making doors. Now, the way the doors are done on this, I think is fantastic. It's a brilliant idea. Truly brilliant idea. And I will be incorporating some of the ideas from this blacksmith into my project. Let's swing this round. We need to build the doorway here. So that goes in there, like so. And then, if you haven't seen this yet, please go back and check the other episodes, because this thing is fantastic. I mean, it's gorgeous. Ooh, see, I'm getting really excited. I'm really just sorry, Arnold, come out there. Come on, do it. Sorry, I'm gonna shut up now. So we're gonna build a door. I do apologize. The fan is on. If you can hear that, I am really sorry. Really sorry. It's currently 25 degrees in the studio. It's a little bit cooler than it has been, but it is still very hot. And personally, I'd rather not bake today. Actually, if I was in the kitchen, I might bake. I do like baking. Yes, I'm a man. Yes, I know how to bake. I also know how to cook, clean. And ladies, I can even go as far as using that infamously difficult machine called wash machine. I can. I can even do ironing. I know. A man that can do ironing. What a shocker. Give you a shocker. I put this on now. So busy chuntering away, I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. See, I'm all excited today. I'm excited. So yesterday, I was talked into opening an Instafab account. The Instafab Snapface thing. that Insta thing, whatever it is. Anyway, I aren't dealing with any of that. I have somebody who deals with my social media for me, but they definitely do need a rocket up their backside because they're not doing a fantastic job of it at the moment. Anyway, I do have someone who takes care of that for me, and they talked me into opening one of those. So I now have that. There's your door. I do like that. My variant of the door, I'd change it from the black. I'd change it to something like a reddish brown, or even if you could get hold of the original dark brown, not the reddish brown, the original dark brown. You know, like down a dark staircase. There was a dark cellar. You know, dark brown. If we could get some of the strips of that, that I think would make a nice paneling on that to contrast the kind of Karamak colour. And yes, I'm mentioning Karamak again. It's something really I'm looking for. And I know diabetic shouldn't be eating chocolate. I know I've had all that spiel from the doctors. But one piece of chocolate a week can't hurt. Just can't. That's what I keep telling myself. It just can't. Ta-da! A door. A spankingly good door. Hmm. I wonder, can I? No, that's too high. That's too high. Just having a slight issue getting it to align with the door. That's better. Just a little bit of adjustment required. There we go. It was catching on the pins on the floor, so that now opens and closes nicely. I'm happy with that. That's it. Just a bit of an adjustment, and that was cool. So, windows. Let's do some windows. I remember these things when you used to get the little pegs on the outside. And you get the pegs on the outside, and you used to be able to put shutters on them. Pretty novel that now, because back then it used to be the thing, but now it's just no, no, man. We just don't do that no more. We should though. We should. It's fun. They pop in like that. Being clumsy again and knocking stuff off. It's literally like less than a millimeter. There we go. Have an issue there. I mean, I don't have the smallest of hands, so trying to do intricate Lego without breaking too much is a bit of a task. Right, windows are in. Bit of a challenge there, but we've got the windows in. Lots in this one. Cover your ears. Right, let's have a look. Now these are a brick I'm interested in at the moment. They're a nice colour actually. I actually do have some of these on order. Right, let's have a look and see where we can start this one off. Yep, so that is right. And then we swap to a white on there. A brown upright 2 in there. So that's the 1x2s. Then one of these masonry bricks. It's kind of cool. And then we're into flats. Ah. Slight mistake I've just noticed. Needs propping up. So you do it like that. So that then goes on there like that. It's just like that. To these Karamaki Nougat colours. So. A white 1x2 on there. Something I will admit is I've learned a lot from doing this blacksmith. A lot about colours and textures and the way that it can all work together. I found this one to be quite a learning experience. It's opened my mind to what possibilities there are in Lego. I've always had quite an open mind when it comes to Lego, but this has definitely taught me a few things building this one. And I'm alright with that. I'm alright with that. That's cool. That's that. A masonry piece. They're a lot happier when when these walls are all tied together. Right now they're quite floppy. Like that. One of these white 1x1 flats. Like so. More pieces. Cover your ears. A little light, or dark bluish grey. Now this is the light bluish grey masonry block. I have quite a few of them on order as well. To be honest, I have quite a few bricks on order. I'm waiting to appear from Bricklink. I've had another assortment turn up today, which has already gone into the collection. I'm hoping within the next couple of weeks to start that new project. I'll have this one finished, go on holiday, come back from holiday, and then I've got the new one to start when I come back. So even folks like me need to take a holiday. Oh, do we? Right, next part, cover your ears. Sorry about that. So I don't know if you can see it or not with the stupidly bright light I've got. That's your dark brown, the original brown, and then that's the reddish brown. Personally, I'm more of a fan of the reddish brown. It's just a more friend. It just seems to me like a more friendly colour. But that's it. That's just my opinion. We don't need that quite yet. We'll leave that there for a moment. So now it looks like we're going to start tying the building together. And this makes me very happy. This tree is very delicate. I do like it a lot. It's just very delicate. Ah, that's the handle of the wishing well. I'll pop that to one side. I'll pop that back on again shortly. Shortly? I shall put that back on. Yes. I really do need to find a new position for this microphone. Or even get one that's mounted, like, can hang down from the ceiling or something like that. A bit more apt. Sorry, the concentration level is quite high right now. There we go. Oh, no we don't. Here we do. I've got large hands. Doing little things like that's quite fiddly. You know what? I'm going to break tradition. But then again, that doesn't go with the rest of it, does it? No, but it holds it tight. Just stick with the design. Stick with the design. Quite sure it will be taken care of afterwards. The other part is, well, something else I can share with you, my lovely friends, is this is going to be part of the new project layout, this structure. Due to the fact of how nice it is and how much I really, really do like it, it will be part of the new structure. That goes on there like that. Super sweet. I've actually got a couple of these in my box. There they are. My box of bits, I've got some there. I've got all sorts of bits and pieces I've ordered. A lot of the items I'm going to use for the new project have come from this ideas model, just because I like the colours. I think the colours are great. The reddish brown I really like. I think it complements the Karamak, like creamy things, masonry brick colours with the gold windows. It just goes together nice. It's a really nice balance of colour. So I've decided I'm going to use some of that in my new project. Ears. Wow. Okay, some 1B15s. Sweet mercy, that is a long brick. And that then holds all that together. Bang, dabby, dozy. There we go. That's pretty cool. Gotta be said, that is pretty cool. Do that like that. And then we have our nougat. Nougat! Block to go in there. Got a 1x6 and a 1 to go on there. Then we get some more of these masonry blocks. Like so. Like that. Right. Ears. Oh, that one wasn't too bad actually. Right then, where we're working on now. Ah, I wondered how that was going to get sealed up. There's a hole, just where my finger is here above the door. And I wondered how that was actually going to get sealed up. See if we can lift this without breaking it. There we go. Here. I was wondering how that was going to get sealed. And it's just, I've just realised how. long reddish brown. Put that around like that. And just like that. I really like that idea. I think that is cool. And take your long pieces. Push them on like that. Basically just long flats. Like that. Go straight through round 1x1 stud. I call them straight throughs because they actually have a hole in the middle. So that's why, hence the term straight throughs. Just let it to bounce off. There we go. Right, that's why. Ookie dookie. Picking and pookie. Like I said, it's not. Yeah, it's difficult having hands this large, try to do things this fiddly, especially when you've broken your fingers as many times as I have. It makes life a little difficult. Not impossible, just difficult. Much better. Yeah. Next parts. Ears. I say that because the microphone's picking up just about everything at the moment. Hopefully it's not picking up the pan too much. I say it's quite warm in here. So here we've got a lantern. Brilliant use of a spanner, which I think is fantastic. I've got quite a few of those hanging around now. That pops into the 1x1 stud with the hole in it. The mint with the hole. Polo. Right. And then you take your small step piece. Like that. That. And then, like that. Ta-da! Next, these double plates. Clip them on like that. Oh, they're a tad loose. Like that. Ears. Ears, please. I don't want to hurt anyone's hearing. Right then. Next. Big door frames in. Now, brilliant use of these as supports. Like so. And this then holds holds the whole of this side of the project together. Might not look it, but that is quite strong. That's going to hold that together just right, just nicely. Next. Our smooths on. Ears, please. It can be a tad loud when I do that. I do apologise. Now we're going to apply the rest of the flat. Or tiles, if you're so inclined. So these again will add more strength and rigidity to the model. Like that. And then like that. Looking great, this now. Looking really good. A friend of mine has this set as part of their medieval Black Falcon set. They've got it all laid out on their dining room table. Quite something. it's quite something. They're waiting on a few bricks to change a few things around, but the idea is there, and I think it's wonderful. Here's I'm looking forward to constructing my own version of something I'm working on. So it's gonna be quite nice. So right now I'm currently fitting the plates to the outside here, the tiles. I'll show you a view of that afterwards. Look, oh hello, pop that flower off again. I keep doing that. Really gentle with this, it's very fragile. That's the plates now attached. Looking good. So many. So many of my beard hairs stuck to this thing. So next we're going to work on this side. I'm guessing it's going to be that side. It's the only side of the building, or this side and this side, that aren't decorated yet. Yes, yes we are. Hmm. Okay. So I was just checking something. Just literally just eyeballing something, wondering. It's alright. When you look at something and you're like, I wonder. It's one of those. Oh, oh, I'll sort that out afterwards. Get my large hand in there and fix it. Oh, like that. That one goes on like that. And that goes on like that. broke something in there. I can hear it. Oh, broken the chair. Oh no. Oh no. Right, I'll get my things and pull that out afterwards. Get over there. And I believe that's the end. Yep. It is. We're now on to bag 9. I'll have to sort out and fix this chair issue. Oh, I can't believe I've broken that chair. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying this build so far. I am liking it very, very much. It's given me a whole host of ideas. I hope it's giving you a few ideas as well. But yeah, it's given me an idea of something I believe to be quite unique. And it's going to be fantastic to put it together. So why don't you come and join me on that journey when we start that in a few weeks. Say I'm going to finish this one, I'm going on holiday, and then when I come back it'll be straight into the new build. So thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, link in the description below for the socials. Come and give us a follow, see what we're up to. You get previews of what we're building and what's being planned in there. So without further ado, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you all next time on Lego with Fonzie. Letters A. Yeah. Look after yourselves in these crazy times. Enjoy the sunshine. Please stay safe. And yeah, look after yourselves. Bye-bye for now, my friends. Ta-da.
The Fonz be with you.
And also with you.
Let us A.